Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Online Account for tax records, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your IRS Online Account for tax records, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login portal. On the login screen, look for the option that reads Sign In to your account. Select this option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. If you have not created an account yet, click on Create an Account to begin registration. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the account creation process, including providing your personal information. Once your account is set up, return to the login screen. Enter your username and password as requested. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the instructions to reset your password and access your account. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may need to verify your identity through multi-factor authentication. Check your email or phone for a verification code if prompted. Enter the verification code into the required field on the website. Once verified, you will gain access to your IRS Online account. From the dashboard, navigate to the section for tax records. Here, you can view and download your tax documents and other pertinent information. Be sure to log out of your account after you have finished accessing your tax records. You can do this by clicking on the Log Out option, usually located at the top of the page. Make sure to keep your login information secure for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.